Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and today is Wednesday, November 14th, and this is the scan for that day. Just a quick look at what the market's looking. Pre-market here, it's about 6:15 in the morning Eastern Time. Everything index-wise is looking up a little bit. Gold is flat. Oil is actually, last time we took a look at this, I think it was around $84, and now it's 86. And natural gas still really, really low. Soybeans commodities, soybeans, corn, they are what they are. And we're still paying $1.27 for a euro. And $1.58 for a pound sterling. Let's take a look at our current holdings. Google is one that we're in right now. Google's not looking real good at the current time, but we have patience, we have time. So I'm not really worried all that much about it. To show you another way that you can monitor your positions during the day is by doing you can do a grid. When you go to your charts, you have this option here where you can, make as many as you, well, not as many as you want, obviously. There has to be a limit, but you can put a lot of them on here. And this is what I usually do, and I just fill in what my positions are here. And up on the top, this is the main stuff that I want to monitor during the day, so it's just a matter of flipping back and forth. So if we take a look at Priceline yesterday was actually looking pretty good, and then it pulled back later. So it's a little bit underwater here, but not going to panic right now. But if Priceline has a pop-up today, I'm probably going to get out of it because Priceline, you just never know what it's going to do. And here's Google, and you can see that in the pre-market, they're up a little bit. And MasterCard is doing just fine. And these are a couple of other things that I'm just watching for other reasons. So let's take a look at the A+ list and run through our scans for today. Amazon. How are we doing with Amazon? What's going on here? Downtrend, stochastic down, flat here. Nothing real interesting going on there. Baidu. No entry here either. Remember, we're looking for something up around here. A move up there when we have a downtrend, or at least a move here. Come on, draw this thing. At least a move up around there and then a hook down. Not getting that at this time. CF, they must have had earnings or something. It's already trading. It's not going to provide us an opening for today because if we take a look at this, it's going to gap down right into this area at the open. So they had their earnings. Oh, they have a dividend. So, oh yeah, when you have a dividend, usually your stock takes a hit almost equal to the dividend. The dividend's 40 cents. The stock is down 40 cents. So there you have it. Chipotle. No opportunity here, and you can see why when you have a downtrend and the stochastic comes down into oversold territory, there really is no play because even though you got a hook up here, you have absolutely no movement here. So you don't want to risk doing a bull put spread, like down around here, because this is probably some sort of head fake and it may be heading down. Salesforce, flat to a slightly downtrend. No entry. Stochastic is down here. Google, we're in there. MasterCard, Priceline, PNRA. It's going to be a quick one this morning. PNRA's in an uptrend. We did have it on our watch list yesterday, and the alert did trigger. But let's take a look at what I was seeing yesterday as far as a trade on this is. So here's a trade that I was looking at yesterday. This would have been a bull put, but it was only giving me $1.42 credit. And when I looked at this, as you move further out of the money on the put side, there's just nothing there. So you do like something that has a little bit more balance. Now, this is pre-market. This is when the market was open. It was $1.42, and now it's $1.45. So let me put it back to $1.42. So that's still not good enough for me. If I'm going to do an at-the-money credit spread, I'm going to want a 2-to-1 or a 1-to-1 ratio. So I would be looking with a $5 spread. I'd be looking for something at least $2 and preferably $2.50. And you're just not going to get it on this particular underlying. I have to say that maybe it's a little bit too, maybe it's a little bit not enough IV on this, or and that's probably it. There's just not enough implied volatility to give the 1-to-1 that I would be looking for. And I didn't want to go out of the money either because obviously there's nothing here either. So I passed on it. And I may end up taking it off the list if this continues to show up like this. Although I know that, when I look for something with a delta of 20, PNRA is a pretty good one to do that with. But unfortunately, there just is, we're too close to expiration on the near month, and I didn't want to do a December, January. All right, so basically, that's it for today. Good luck to all of you. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.